everyone, and happy Friday. It has taken me a while to decide on how to best deliver this portion of our studies. I'm sure that I will incorporate more parts to this instruction in another segment. However, I would like us to have a starting point to launch us in the correct direction. We want to go up, not sideways, and definitely not spiraling down in our writing skills. So, for today, here are a few short videos that you are required to watch to begin our process. As I've stated in our preliminary time together, in other words, on our first day, writing is important, especially in this class and beyond. So, after you've watched the videos, and these are the videos that you are going to be watching: grammar heroes versus villains, subject-verb agreement, writing a good transition statement, and how to write a good paragraph. So after you've watched these videos, you're going to write a one-page essay on your thoughts of the storm on Capitol Hill that took place this past Wednesday. It was complete and utter chaos. So in order to do that, you are going to click on this link. It will force you to create your own copy of this Google document. And here is where your writing begins, based on what you've learned through those videos. So you're going to be sure to construct your paragraphs using correct grammar, subject-verb agreement, supporting sentences, and details to talk about what your thoughts are about the storm on Capitol Hill. Afterwards, you must submit the assignment. So don't forget, it is due by the end of your class period today. Also, be sure to complete the attendance form at the bottom of this page to be marked present for the day. And that is located right here. So that is all that I have for you today. Have a wonderful Friday and a fantastic weekend. I'll see you, God willing, on Monday.